driving while awesome morning motors meet. We out here. We had our group like coming up. We had the 8-6.
Oh yeah.
And then we have our cars back over here, FB, FC, and then our friends Type R. I'm really tired. I need coffee. What did it do?
Really? It's like the car. You turn it off and it would just smoke. You see the video of my car just looking like it was catching on fire?
Yeah, I thought that was because of a loose coolant hose.
Partially that, but also the premix, just like when you would turn it off, it would like burn off in the car.
Okay, what did you find?
I just got fucking...
What?
He got stunned on.
He got stunned on? Oh, because there's so many Type R's? That's so cool. I really like this color of the BMW.
Stunned on. I just got stunned on by a fucking moving FK8 type car.
How does it feel?
It's like waking up with a dry mouth and being in poverty spec, which I am. He's about to be covered in glaze right now. I'm about to bust all over that car.
What in the world? Amelia!
And I too.
I really do love Porsche. I'm actually wearing a Porsche shirt today. Oh, but you can't get over the red Mercedes. These are seriously so cool. Most of them, oh, I just realized you literally can't see them. You can just see a reflection. That's how great this is. This Porsche is pimp.
Tis pimp.
Tis pimp. I mean,
Emily, it's basically your car.
ew, don't say that. Oh my lord, my savior. Hell. Okay, why do you want this car?
I like the low grunt. I mean, they're fast, they look nice, and yeah, I don't know, it just kind of gives that like old school like V8 rumble that you can't really get in
Yeah.
modern cars.
I agree. What has been your guys' favorite car so far at the meet?
Mine.
Yours? I mean, I don't blame you. And you?
There was a crazy skyline that we saw driving on the freeway, and I don't know. We'll have to go look at it. It's crazy. From the back, it doesn't look like a skyline, but from the front, oh, it's sexy.
Oh.
It's right-hand drive, it's imported, and it's registered in like Oklahoma or something.
Oh my gosh,
It's
okay.
sick.
Well, we'll have to keep an eye out. The lineup. For reals. Riley, what's your favorite car of the meet so far?
Or like
Yeah.
literally any Porsche that's here. Like,
Oh my gosh.
I love Porsche so much.
There's
also two DeLoreans.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I also love
I
the
genuinely-
lightweight E36.
Yeah, the lightweight E36 was super cool.
Yeah.
Or for E36.
I mean, I don't blame you.
Let me do this. Let me text this to him. Let me text. No.
What?
Here, Danny, this is for you. Get fucked. Look at that guy. Is he flooded? Nope. Does he have pit meat? Yeah. Look at this. His fucking wheels are brighter than you. Roll cage too? Whoa. That's a CP. Stun it on, Danny. Which is what you want. It's not nice. Oh my god, just stun it on.
Okay, we found another.
4S, right?
This is the 80s edition. So 3.
I feel like we've seen
3S.
this one on Instagram.
I feel like we have
The
2.
wheels and all. Oh wait,
Yeah.
is this the one where we saw on Instagram? He was like showing off that these were the race wheels.
Oh, you know what? It might be.
I think it is.
Maybe. I think that was an S5 though. This looks like a 3S. It looks really nice though. I know, there's so many. Look at the GTR lineup. The GTR lineup. carbon fiber hood. Seriously, we do have the GTR lineup right here. Okay, car meet was successful. We're warming up. We're trying to get out of here, but yeah, it was a really good time. Talked to some really cool people. Got some really good clips of cars. The sun is like blinding me. Oh my god. Ah! So how would you rate this car meet out of a 10 today?
8 out of 10. No
8 out of 10.
GT3 RS.
No GT3 RS. You're right. This was cool.
Very cool.